Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make full screen video on CapCut. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut. So once you're in CapCut, you simply need to click on new project. So I'm going to select this project, for example. Okay. So once you are here, you simply need to select a video. Okay, so you can use your both fingers to pinch in the videos like this. Okay, and if you want to view, you simply need to click here like this, and after that you are finished editing, you simply need to click on this option and you can export your video like this. So this is the process by which you can make full screen video on CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.